Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. I decided to stop by the Dollar Tree to pick up a couple more of their carvable pumpkins, foam pumpkins, and they had restock and they just have amazing stuff, better stuff that they had before. Look at these big buckets you could store your candies in, and this is like designed like a web. They have multiple colors in that. Look at the little treat bags that you have for the little ones. And then they had like some felt cutout in pumpkin and ghost. They had pieces for your kitchen. They had like the kitchen mitt. They had like tablecloth. They even had the black one like web. And you had the kitchen towels too as well. They had these little mini buckets, and I threw a couple pieces in my cart. I got the witch's cauldron, some pumpkin wooden stickers, as well as some 50 pieces of their rings, which had spiders, bats, and ghosts on it. Just a nice variety of stuff. You had the blood bank stuff for fake blood, the syringes. I love those witches' legs. Those are always fun pieces to decorate with. They had a lot of skeletons, a variety to choose from. Oh, those witches' brooms are so pretty. I love the purple and black. And look, all of those skeletons there that you could do your DIY. I love the chains, the ghostly chains. And they had various yard sticks that you could pick up. And these door hangers, really, really nice, a variety of those. Then they have the smaller pieces that you could use to create your wreaths, and those ghostly houses, those haunted houses. If you guys are new to my channel and you like what you see, please consider hitting the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Really awesome pieces at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. You can't go wrong. Thank you guys for browsing with me. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.